Hi guys, how are you? My name is One Titanium, founder of Investing MMT and the co-founder of Pure MMT for the 100% Beyond the Memes, along with my friend Edward Delzio, the author of the National Debit, and I also run a Patreon page at patreon.com/mine, this one, where I teach people how to understand the monetary system, how to apply that into the macro economy, and then take that information and apply it into the real world and into investing. I also teach bare knuckle charting to contrast all that information to make sure that we are on the right uh, path. So let's talk about Bitcoin and let's talk about the stock market because a lot has happened, and I'm sure a lot of you have a lot of questions as to what is going on. Okay, so for the newcomers, for those of you who haven't seen my previous videos, the first thing you need to know is that I called the this Eiffel Tower pattern, which is a big M pattern, and then it just falls apart and it looks like the Eiffel Tower. Okay, we have definitely completed the formation, the structure. Now the question is, at what point do we start to bounce? And we will bounce at some point. We will. Um, I had some targets in there where I thought it might start to bounce, but we're not there yet. And what you're going to see is that you know you're going to get that full completion at some point, whether it be at 5,000 or maybe a little bit lower than that. It's possible it can go as low as 1,500. Now I'm not saying that's going to happen. Okay, we're not there yet. So chill out. But it is possible. Okay, so let's say we hit around 5,000, which is my target right now. We hit that 5,000, and then it's going to start to go up. Okay, and you'll probably get a double, maybe more. Okay, and then at that point, it will start to roll over and come back down again. All right, this is what is called a dead cat bounce. Now, if you don't believe me that I called the top, you can go back on the December 21st. 2017 on my Investing MMT page, and you can see that I said breaking down results could be catastrophic for Bitcoin. And that's enough about that. So let's get back to what's going on right now in Bitcoin. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a log. Okay. And then I got a whole bunch of drawings here. Nothing you need to see. Let me get this out of the way. So the first target was right here at this blue support line, which is this channel. We were looking for a bounce here. I told my subscribers to buy. They bought. Went a little bit below that, and then it bounced. And then I said, okay, well, the next target is going to be 5. And I also told them that, hey, if you're going to buy it, 6,800, 7,000, 7,200, you gotta be prepared to buy it 5,000. Okay, because once there's something that's called dynamic instability, and basically what happens is, let's say an airplane is flying and then you take it off its course, then it's going to start to isolate and get progressively worse and worse, and then just start falling apart. So this is what's going on now in Bitcoin, where you're getting these waves and it's getting progressively worse, and now everybody's just capitulating. Okay, and when that happens, the price movement becomes very rapid to the downside. As you can see, it's just going straight down, and that's usually the sign where everything is coming to an end. Okay, now you all know I don't like Bitcoin. There's no value behind it. Don't give me this bullshit about whatever, blockchain and all this stuff. It's worthless. It's not money. It's not nothing. But that doesn't mean I can't trade it. It doesn't mean I don't know how to trade it. I do, and I've done it very well. And it doesn't mean that it's going to go away. It's not going to go away. But there's going to be a point for you to buy. And, for all you guys who are sitting here bitching at me and saying, oh, you're just a perma-bear. You just don't like Bitcoin. That's why you call it. No, I don't give a shit. If something makes me money, it makes me money. What do I care, So anyway, enough of that stuff. So let's go down to a smaller time frame, and I'll show you what I'm seeing. We have the acceleration down. We got that bounce where I expected at around 68. And when something is moving as much as Bitcoin is, you're going to get those price actions, but 72.68 is where I said it should be a buying opportunity, and it went a lot lower than that. It actually went down to 6,000. And I was hoping for that 5,000, to be honest with you. So I didn't tell anybody to buy at 6. I was waiting for that 5,000. But, close enough for government work. But here's the problem. That this is either going to come back and test it, go maybe a little bit below it, and then turn around. Okay? Once it breaks this low here, right, this should be a buying That's why I keep saying, around that 5,000 area. This should be a buying opportunity in here. Long term. Don't expect to make money the next day. Okay? It will test that, and then we'll create this W pattern. Okay, it was a W, and then off we should start going back up. That's my, we need more information. I need more information, definitely. Okay? But that's the way I'm looking at it right now. Okay, then we'll get that next bounce down, break the low. Okay, maybe go a little bit through it, just like it did here. Go a little bit through around that 5,500 area. And again, don't be a dick for a tick. Right? If it gets anywhere near that and you're in cash, start buying. Okay, and then we'll start seeing that hookup, and then we'll get the W pattern, and then we'll start pushing back up again. Now, if 5,000 were to break, and let's just say it just turns into a waterfall, I hate to say it, but the next price target is going to be 3,000. Okay, and possibly even lower. Okay, around 1,500. I don't think that's going to happen. Is it possible? Anything is possible, but you should always have enough cash for the worst case scenario. Don't go put all your money in and say, oh, you can always start putting money if it starts to do what we expect it to do. But don't get all crazy, all right? And then you blow yourself out, especially if you're on margin or something. Oof, be very, very careful, very, very careful. That stuff is no joke. At this point, nobody should be shorting anything. Stay far, far away from shorting. Because believe me, if this thing starts coming back into structure, okay, starts doing something like this, right, and then it breaks out, then guess what? We could be off to the moon. And you want to start shorting in here, trying to get this little piece? No. You'd never go for this little piece. You're going to go for the big piece, okay? The least risk with the maximum reward. So you want to be buying in here. You don't want to be shorting. You want to be buying in here and waiting for that next big move up. Alright? Alright, so let's talk a little bit about stocks now. What's going on in the market? So, back on January 29th, I posted this article basically telling you that, things are not looking right and there should be caution in the market. Okay? This is what the market looked like at the time. Okay? This is January 29th. You know what happened? Market crashed, right? Over here I had a target of about 13%. And I said this could easily drop this much. I also gave my fundamental reasons why this was going to happen. This is macroeconomics and not, some garbage that people run around telling you cute little stories. This is just hard facts. Facts, math, and data. Okay? So I gave you my reasoning. So if you want to, you can go and also read up on it. On February 1st, the day before the big, I don't want to call it crash because it's not a crash, just a correction, but the big sharp sell-off, the big drop in the market came, I came out and I said on February 1st, stocks NDX SPX urging caution, sharp sell-off is possible. Okay? And what did we get? We got exactly that. We got this real nice big sharp sell-off. Okay? It actually came all the way down here. So today after doing my analysis, I came out and I just posted this an hour ago. NDX and stocks caution, get ready for the next leg down in the days to come. So let's take a look at the chart. Alright, so this is what the NDX looks like. And we'll focus on the NDX for now. Okay? It's what I've been trading. I've done very well this past few weeks. So this is where we were. when I came out with that fundamental post, and then this is what happened. Sharp sell-off came the day before, right? So you can actually see the head and shoulders. All right, there you go. That's the head and shoulders, and then boom, the whole thing collapsed. Great. So now what? Well, this is what's going to happen more likely than not. And remember, I do not have a crystal ball. I don't claim I do. I can only tell you what's likely to happen next. All right, always and always. So we got the big sharp sell-off. We got the bounce, and now this is going to fail. This will fail. Okay, more likely than not. Now, is it going to happen in one shot, in one day, in 2 days, by the end of the week? I think probably by the end of the week we'll probably be somewhere down here. Okay. It's not going to happen in an hour or tomorrow. It could. It could happen right now, but yeah, you could get something like this. Okay. It could be a sharp. Okay. In the next 2 days, you could see this thing just go boom, 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 straight down. So as I said in my post, that I think it was likely that it was going to go down about 11%. There it is. There's the 11%. I actually think it can go a bit lower. 17, 20% is very possible. For now, we'll just keep like around 17, 16% target, which would really just bring us back to about I don't know, June of 2017, which is not a big deal. Okay, it's a very nice pullback. It's a very nice opportunity to go out and buy the market. Do not listen to people that are going to sit there and tell you, oh, the crash is coming. You see, I told you, blah, blah, blah. No, they're idiots. They don't know what they're talking about. The economy of the U.S. is very good. We had tax cuts. We have a lot of deficits coming in. That's very good. Contrary to popular belief, it's very good because it becomes a net financial asset to the private sector. That's us. We get to use that money, and we go out, and we spend, and we create jobs, and things are going to look good. I will even go as far as saying that I think unemployment will go to 3.8% in the months to come. Okay. So I usually don't tell you guys about my stock stuff, but I think it's important since everybody's excited about what's going on in the markets, and I'll pass that along to you. Usually I keep this for my subscribers. Again, if this is something that you're interested in and you want to learn how to invest, forex, commodities, it doesn't matter what it is, come on down. It's $5 a month, and you'll get free access to Messenger on Facebook. We do this all in real time. You can ask the subscribers there how I'm doing, and let them tell you if I'm good or not. Okay. Beyond, if they tell you no, I suck, then you can unsubscribe. Right? It's $5 a month. I'm not trying to make money off of you. So it's Investing MMT. Like us and rate us. Come to Pure MMT for the 100%. Like us there as well. Rate us. Buy the National Debit. Very good start to understanding how the monetary system works. And if you guys want to know how to learn how to invest, then come down to patreon.com/mindthisone. It's $5 per month. Okay, that's it. You don't like it, unsubscribe. You don't pay anything. All my trades are in real time. Everybody knows what I'm doing. Everybody knows when I sell. I don't keep anything in secret, and I don't do anything after the fact. All the trades that I do, whether they're winning or losing, it doesn't matter. Okay, I post them on IMMT after the fact. I don't tell you when I enter. Okay, you can come and see it. Okay, this is one example from today. You can see the gains on it. All right, everything is done real time. I'm not here to bullshit anybody. So come on down and give it a try. Now, if you're brand new, I don't think this service is for you. If you don't have a clue as to what's going on, I am not the guy that's going to sit here and explain things to you. I can't spoon feed all these people. Okay, you gotta have some prior experience in trading. Otherwise, you're going to be lost. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Just post them. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Have a great night. Bye-bye.